Yo, what's that? Back, man. Back up in here with another one. We finna revert back to the music, man. I still got videos of the museum, man, when I went to the Art and Speed Museum. Well, it's not even a museum. I don't know what to call it, but excuse me, when I went to Art and Speed. So I'm editing a video right now, as y'all can see. So yeah, man, and I'm going back, like while I'm doing this, like looking at all the cars and stuff that, you know what I'm saying, I recorded or whatnot. Man, there was a lot of stuff in there, dude. Like, it was a lot of stuff. Yeah. But anyway, once again, man, y'all know how we do this, man. I really appreciate y'all for being here, taking that time of y'all busy schedules to watch what I got going on, checking out my bills, checking out my shenanigans, checking out me talk about stuff. I really appreciate that. So I ain't gonna hold y'all long. New subscribers, welcome. Return subscribers, man, thank y'all so much, man. What's up? Thank y'all. Man, y'all hop down in the comments, man, and start interacting with me, man. I know I gotta do better. I gotta do better as you know what I'm saying, getting these videos up for y'all. I got a lot going on, but I'm still trying to pump this content out for y'all. So without further ado, let's get into the video. We back to this 500, y'all. I don't know what is a 500. I don't know what that is. Coronet 500. It might be a Ford. It might be a Ford. No. What's this? T-Bird. Yeah, so y'all, if y'all ain't, you know what I'm saying, we back with another one. We're still in the same building, man. We're still in here in I can't think of the name of it right now. But we still in here. Man, looking at all these cars, man. So I ain't gonna hold y'all up by letting y'all look at my face. Gonna show y'all what we got going on. I'm on. I just came from over there on this side. I'm in the warehouse. Now I'm over here on the back wall. You know what I'm saying? Gonna show y'all what's going on. We got a Vet. I showed y'all the Rolls Royce. I don't know what that white car right there. I think that's a Cadillac. Yep, that's a Cadillac right there. It's a Bonneville. Pontiac Bonneville. Fox body. Man, this is too many cars. This crazy. What's this? What is this? I don't know what that is. Got a green tag on it though. Big Cadillac over there. What's that? I just said Cadillac. Stingray. Said this one sold. Man, this the John that was on this the Jaguar that was on Money Talks. She gonna get tired of me FaceTime her. I ain't gonna FaceTime her no more. Edsel. I don't know. I heard of it, but I don't know what it is. What's this? Edsel. I don't know what that is. Y'all know I gotta show y'all what's up. Austin Healey. I thought that was a Jaguar. Austin Healey. And an Edsel. Chevelle. This joint here so clean. Oh my God, bro. Now I ain't touched nothing. I ain't put my hands in nothing. I ain't trying to, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to open no doors, no none of that. Chevelle. The Edsel for sale. Let me see what they say. Edsel Ranger. Oh, so Edsel is actually a brand of cars. Okay. Need extra space for your classic car store with Art and Speed. Oh, okay, so you can actually store your car here. So a lot of these cars are stored then. Okay. I ain't know that. But we back up here with this music, y'all. So I'm trying to talk. Oh my God. Is that a kit? That's a kit car. It gotta be. Yes, a kit car.
with LS in it. That's a KTM. Dang, that car that small? This is a KTM. Goon Squad had one. It's gotta be a KTM. It says sold though. They got, look like they got everything in there to make it run. Yep, I remember Goon Squad was building one of these. Well, they had bought one that was wrecked already. The green one. I don't know what this is. What is this? 88? What's this? Buick, a Buick 8. Man, I hope y'all can hear me over this music. Talking over this music. I like that. Got another Stingray right here. You got the OJ. Got a Fairlane. That's a, man, that is a big, nice tail light. Look at that. Oh, and that's just it. Oh, okay, okay. I thought there was a whole light. I think I showed y'all all these. Let me go look at this brown car again. I don't know if I showed y'all that. 300 SE. 420 SEL. I don't know what this is. This is a Cadillac. It's a Cadillac. Look at that. Stuff on the steering wheel, boy. Man, big old seat back there. Shit, got the privacy shades. That's gotta be a Cadillac. That's a Cadillac symbol. I don't know what none of this stuff is. MG, I heard of these before. Man, I'm in heaven, boy. There go Cutlass right there. So I would actually have to come up, go down that road, come up the middle road, and then come back. So I'm just gonna be all over the place right now. I don't know what this car is. We're gonna come back to it. This is a 442, I think. Nope, it's a Cutlass S. 1971 Cutlass S. 25,000. 71. It's a Bel Air convertible. That one for sale. This one for sale for 98.9. Boy, stop playing. I wonder how many miles on it. Does it show? Do you call it even show miles? 78,000 miles. I don't know what this is. Man, I ain't never seen this before. Man, when I edit this, man, y'all gonna, man, I hope I can get all this music out of here. Man, I like the rat rods, boy. So, I'm looking at this Trans Am, right? It was one back there as well. You know what I'm saying? They got the small wings on them and a small hood, but they convertibles. So that really makes me not wanna change. Well, this is a 90s. This is a 97. 97, right? Oh, it's 94. But that hood gonna be different anyway. But that one back there was like mine, and it's on 34,000, and it's it got the same wing I got back here, and it got the same hood. So I don't think I'm gonna look at it again to see what all they did. I always like these Vets. Chevelle, another Vet, Grand Prix. My partner had one of these Johns here. Matter of fact, two of my partners had one of these, them Grand Prix. That one clean. They got the swivel seats in it. I bet them the swivel seats. Look like the swivel seats. I ain't sure though. Let's see if they say it. It's a 3-speed. It's a stick. I don't know. I don't know. Fire horn red. I like this color. 442. This is about a 68. Cause my partner got one. Yep, 68, 442, 53.9. A little Porsche. I don't know what that is. Maserati. Man, look at this. Come on, man. I don't know if it's a real Cobra or a kit car, but I love it. Man, it's crazy. I love these cars, man. I love these. I love that Ford. Oh, what's this? What is this?
Yo, what's happening, man? It's your dog, Big Below, Mr. Man himself. Man, I'm coming to here. Just look, I just had to make my own little commercial real quick, man. Hey, look, if you haven't already, I know y'all done seen the new face of the channel. You know what I'm saying? They got that join button up there, man. Hey, go ahead and explore that join button, man. Become a member of the BeeloNation, man. We got 3 levels: $2.99, $6.99, and $9.99. We got Nation, we got Big Nation, and we got Ain't Gang. You know what I'm saying? They all have their separate perks, which Ain't Gang has its own perks, and all of the perks from the other 2 tiers. So yeah, man. If you haven't done that already, go ahead and explore that join button, man. And yeah, enjoy those. Enjoy some of these nice perks, man, that your dog gonna set out for y'all, man. But yeah. That being said, man, let's get back to the video.
Y'all know what this car is? Get down in the comments, man. Talk to me. Talk to me. I skipped over that Chevy right there. Then there's a Benz over on the other side. What is this? Man, it's crazy. A Panos 4. Panos. I don't know how to pronounce it. I be trying to pronounce it elegant as possible. This is like a Ford. Whatever this is a Ford. Oh, they got some big subs in there. You can see it got spider wheels on, so I ain't drove in a while. Got the Jeep. Man, it's so crazy. Man, it's gonna be a lot of editing on this right here. A lot of editing. Some barber chairs. I don't know what kind of bike this is, but it's for sale. 2013 show bike. It's for sale. I don't say how much. Man, look at that Vit right there. Ooh, got an LS stuffed off in that thing. It's stuffed in there too. Good God. Oh, what's that? That's a Buick, ain't it? No, that's a Plymouth Fury. I seen that Fury on there. I knew what it was. Got them dancing shoes on there. Got them dancing shoes on there. Man, this video done got to about 10 minutes, man. So, man, I'ma wrap this video up. It's your dog, Big Below, Mr. Ain't himself. And I'll catch y'all in the next one, man.